this is Kristen at Cooking in the County. It's been a little bit since I've posted a video, but today I am bringing you a very quick, very easy recipe I saw on TikTok. I know, I'm on TikTok all the time. Crock pot, really quick, easy. Everybody is so busy right now. No one has time for anything. I don't know if people even have time to watch these crazy videos, but here I am, I'm posting. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for subscribing. I have like 120 videos, so go through those and I'll be adding new videos as we go. So today, I don't even know what you call this. We are gonna take some turkey tenderloin, get this right at Walmart. This is just rotisserie flavor, a jar of mild guacamole salsa, and we're gonna put it over some jasmine rice. So seriously, these are your 3 ingredients. This is all you're gonna need. Quick, easy, put it in the crock pot, and you get something to eat when you get home from work. I might even, afterwards, fry up some tortilla shells here, tortillas, and you could eat them like a nacho. Why wouldn't that be delicious? I don't know. So I always love to heat up my crock pot before I start. I don't know why, you don't have to do that. That's just me. So all we're gonna do, put this in the crock pot. You need some kitchen scissors in your life. Throw them in the dishwasher afterwards. Scissors are so good. So just squishing it in there. Move it around. They call this a tenderloin, but they kind of look like just like 2 big chicken breasts. Let me show you. It's quite a lot in there. I think that would feed 4 people for sure. Okay. So in the video that I watched, she just put a cup of this in. I'm gonna pour the whole jar in. This is 15 ounces, especially if you put it over rice. I'm gonna put the whole jar in. I don't have any idea what this tastes like. I haven't tried it. We're trying this together for the first time, but I have no reason to think that it's not gonna be good. So all we're gonna do is put this on low for 6 hours. Yes, low on 6 hours or high for 4. Yep. And then when it's all done, we're just gonna cook. I'm gonna get two things of rice for my family because it's gonna be nice and saucy. Or I'm gonna fry up some tortillas. So come back in 6 hours and we'll finish up this meal. Quick, easy, I think you're really gonna like it. Okay, I'm gonna cut these all up into chips. Just take them, take a pile. Simple. Throw in the bowl. We typically use olive oil. All I have is avocado oil. Just use what you have. Don't go buy anything special. Like people don't, have the money for that right now. So just use what you have. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. Okay, sprinkle that. Got my house seasoning, salt, pepper, and garlic. Put any seasoning you want. You could do ranch, a little dry ranch packet. Italian maybe would be yummy. Something cheesy. Just want to get these all nice and coated. Okay, just like that. And then we're gonna just put them on a big pan. And I'm gonna put a little oil on the here. Okay. Yes, I'm using my hands because it's for my family. So I think I made a video with these one other time. I feel like I did. But we're gonna do it again because we want to use up all these shells, all these tortilla shells. Okay, so I'm just gonna put these all on the pan, throw them in 375. I'm gonna watch them, maybe 8 to 10 minutes. I don't even know if it's gonna be that long, but I'll let you know. And these are the corn tortilla, not the flour. Okay, I have to do them in batches, and that's fine. And then after that's done, I'm also gonna warm up the jasmine rice, and we're gonna taste it all together. Okay, so I'm gonna put these in the oven, and I'll be right back. Now this might not look appetizing, but it was so creamy, had a little bit of spice to it, and the turkey was so tender. Okay, our turkey is all done. It tastes amazing, looks amazing, smells amazing. Just finished up the chips. Now bake these chips at 375. I'm gonna say for 8 to 10 minutes. Flip them over halfway in between. And of course, your oven might be different than mine. They have a wonderful crunch to them. So yummy. So let's start building our turkey guacamole rice dish. So I just heated up the jasmine rice. I'm just gonna put a little bit, just so we can taste test. Okay, I'm just taking a little bit just so we can taste it and test it. So this is how the lady wanted it done on the video that I saw. So just rice and this. So let's test this. That's so good. Okay, but you know me, I always want to go a step a little further, okay? So I'm gonna add a tad bit of cheese. Now I'm gonna add some black beans. Whoops. And a tad bit of salsa. Now this has to jazz that up. Okay? Now let's try that. Mmm. 1,000 times better. I'm gonna try my chips. Perfect meal. Perfect. I don't even know what you're gonna call this. Turkey, guacamole. This is so yummy, guys. You need to try it. Quick, easy. I've been running around all day. I had to get groceries, had to go to the chiropractor, had lots of stuff to do. This was just cooking away. My family's all gonna be coming home and they're gonna be able to eat, and it's been very quick. So try the chips, try this. I don't know what video's next, but just keep watching, and thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you next week. See ya, bye.